So this is 3 potatoes, steamed. I don't want you to boil them, I want you to steam them because I don't want any water content in the potatoes. Cut them with flour to make sure they don't stick together. Leeks. I've sauteed some leeks and some spinach. What I'm doing is now I'm crushing some peeled tomatoes, whole peeled tomatoes from the can. I'm going to throw this in now to make the spinach napolitana. I've added salt and pepper, a bay leaf, and believe it or not, 2 cloves. So if you've got some cloves in the house, the cloves give it that aroma. So basically we've got spinach, leeks, salt and pepper, 2 tins of peeled tomato, 2 cloves, and always I'm going to share with you my trick. Little trick, instead of putting sugar to get rid of the acidity, put a tablespoon and a half of tomato sauce. What tomato sauce does is, it's got sugar in it, but it's also got preservatives. So you can have your sauce sitting in the fridge for a month, it will never go off. And the sugar in it will give it the sweetness, take away the tart. This was taught to me by 2 Italian chefs on Hamilton Island 40 years ago, believe it or not. Toss. And on the platter. And there is your gnocchi. So, Parmesan cheese. And voila, gnocchi is complete.